How to lose fat and grow muscle at the same time. This phenomenon only happens in 4 cases. Number 1, if you are a beginner. This is because beginners usually grow muscles very fast, since lifting heavy weights is a new stimulation for them. Number 2, the trained athletes. The trained athletes are people who previously used to lift heavy weights and had a good physique. Then something happened, they stopped lifting and they lost it. The reason why they will grow muscle fast is because they have muscle memory. Number 3 is overweight people. Most overweight people are usually beginners. And in some cases, calories taken from fat cells are used to support muscle growth. The 4th one is people on drugs. People using anabolic steroids grow muscles without even working out. If you fall in one of these first 3 categories, this is what you should do to lose fat and grow muscle at the same time. Number 1, estimate your maintenance calories. Take your weight in kgs and multiply by 30, 31, 32, or 33, depending on your level of activity. If you are very active, use 33. If you are moderately active, use 32 or 31. If you are not active at all and you spend most of your time sitting down, use 30. The answer you are going to get is your estimated maintenance calories. Step number 2, create a moderate caloric deficit. Since you want to grow muscle as you lose fat, your caloric deficit should be moderate, not massive. I recommend 20%. Take your maintenance calories and multiply by 0.8. The answer you're going to get is your daily target. Step number 3, set up your protein. For you to grow muscle and lose fat at the same time, you need to make sure you're consuming enough protein. The recommended amount is about 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kg. That will be about 20 to 30% of your target calories. As long as your calories and protein are set, the remaining calories can come from fats and carbs. You do not need to track them directly. Step number 4, work out with heavy weights at the gym and focus on getting stronger in a medium rep range. This is anywhere between 4 and 12 reps.